Hello traders, and welcome to our OptionsXO London Session Daily Market Review for Thursday, June 23rd. Starting it off with North American markets. All three major stock indexes finished down yesterday as investors consolidate pending the Brexit vote. In other news, existing home sales rose by 1.8% as median price increases decelerated to 4.7% year-on-year, and unsold inventories rose slightly, all indicating a recovery in the US home market. And in European markets, the voting begins for British citizens in a potential referendum to leave the European Union. Politicians, including David Cameron, have been urging voters to stay in the EU because of the economic catastrophe that would develop. The polls are leading towards the UK staying in the EU. There won't be available exit polling throughout the day, and results will not be finalized until Friday. Euro Stoxx 50 finished up on the day, 0.37%, as Eurozone consumer confidence slipped to minus 7.3%, and the pound rose to a 6-month high. Moving on to Asian markets, the Nikkei finished up 1% at 161.85, and the yen edged lower, reversing Tuesday's upward momentum. Investors remain wary pending the Brexit decision. Meanwhile, Japan's Nikkei manufacturing PMI was up again by 0.1 to 47.8, but the country's leading index composite dropped from May's 100.5 to 100. In commodities highlights, gold finished down for the third straight day as futures head towards a critical support level at $12.60. And crude oil prices slipped on Wednesday after the US government reported a smaller than expected inventory drawdown. Investor fear regarding the Brexit also contributed, and although crude futures had risen above $50 per barrel, prices headed lower after the US Energy Information Administration reported a stockpile decline of 917,000 barrels for the week ended June 17. And here are today's important economic events. The Brexit vote will be governing the day, with results out tomorrow morning after polls close at midnight. Also, throughout the day, services, manufacturing, and composite PMIs Okay, זה לא ילך. כן.